Most men over 40 consume ginger entirely wrong. They boil it into teas, use stale powders, or take generic pills, completely destroying the fragile compounds responsible for morning vitality and bedroom stamina. You are leaving your performance on the table simply because you are killing the active enzymes before they ever touch your lips. So what is this ultimate way to eat ginger? And how exactly do you mix it to see a radical difference in your energy and physical responsiveness by tonight? To understand why ginger is a complete game changer for men over 40, you have to look at the smooth muscle tissue surrounding your blood vessels. As you age, stress, poor diet, and natural metabolic changes cause these smooth muscles to constrict. They tightly clamp down on your arteries, narrowing the pathways and directly choking off blood flow to your heart, brain, and performance centers. Raw ginger acts as a direct pressure release valve for this exact problem. It is packed with highly active bioactive compounds called gingerols and shogaols. In clinical studies, these compounds function exactly like natural calcium channel blockers, the precise mechanism found in blood pressure medications. By blocking calcium ions from entering the smooth muscle cells of your blood vessels, ginger forces those tight, constricted arterial walls to completely relax and widen. This immediate reduction in vascular resistance allows oxygenated blood to pump through your entire system with maximum velocity, boosting your physical energy and baseline responsiveness. Eating ginger plain or raw means your stomach acids will destroy the majority of these volatile gingerols before they ever reach your bloodstream. To unlock its full power, you must mix it with a high antioxidant fluid vehicle that protects it. The ultimate mixture for male performance is fresh, grated ginger combined with pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice. While the gingerols in the root aggressively relax the smooth muscles from the outside of the vessel, the dense concentration of polyphenols and punic allergens in pomegranate juice do something extraordinary. They actively protect your body's existing nitric oxide molecules from breaking down or oxidizing in your bloodstream. By mixing them, you create a powerful synergy. The ginger forces your blood vessels to physically widen, while the pomegranate juice ensures the biological signals keeping them open stay active for hours. It is a dual-action trigger that wide opens the floodgates and sustains your stamina far longer than ginger could on its own. To experience a noticeable surge in your physical stamina and morning energy, you must follow this exact preparation and timing protocol. Start with a fresh, raw ginger root. Peel back a 1-inch section and use a fine grater to shred it down into a wet, raw pulp. Grating is a non-negotiable step. It physically ruptures the plant's cellular walls, instantly activating the volatile gingerols. Take exactly 1 teaspoon of this freshly grated ginger pulp and place it into a small glass. Immediately pour 2 ounces of pure, unsweetened pomegranate juice directly over it. Stir the mixture thoroughly for 30 seconds to allow the active compounds to infuse into the juice. For the absolute best results, consume this shot on an empty stomach first thing in the morning or exactly 30 to 45 minutes before physical activity or bedroom performance. Taking it on an empty stomach ensures that your digestive system absorbs the active vascular expanders instantly, passing them directly into your bloodstream without interference. Despite these massive benefits, millions of men consume ginger every single day and see absolutely zero physical changes. It comes down to 2 critical mistakes. The first mistake is boiling it. The second, you drop raw ginger into hot water to make tea or apply any form of cooking heat. You thermally degrade the gingerols. You strip the root of its medical-grade vascular benefits, turning a potent circulation booster into nothing more than a spicy flavored beverage. The second mistake is using pre-made, store-bought ginger shots or paste that contain added sugars or preservatives. Added processed sugars cause an immediate spike in insulin, which induces low-grade inflammation in your endothelium and completely blunts the nitric oxide release you are trying to achieve. If it isn't fresh and intensely sharp, the biological trigger is gone. If you want to start using proven, factual nutrition to reclaim your vitality after 40, make sure to hit the subscribe button and like this video right now so you never miss our breakdowns. Now, I want to hear from you. Drop your age in the comments and tell me if you have ever tried using raw ginger in pomegranate juice for your physical stamina before. I am personally replying to the comments to help you guys optimize your routine based on exactly where you are at in your health journey.